got any final thoughts for the show?
Make jukes, not war.
Can we edit that out?
Nope. I had my game face on.
I think we can.
Hello and welcome to a new one for me, and I think it'll be a first and, well, only, given the fact that it was about £6 for this. This is the Majorette Tune-Ups, Series 2. I've bought this. I have not checked the code in the back, so I do not know what it is. I hope it's that Audi R8, because that thing looks really good. However, we'll get it cracked open and really show you the experience of the whole thing, because I'm not sure what's in here. Of course, it is Series 2. And in here you get a, of course, metal car, tuning part, accessory, sticker, flyer, collector's box and collector's chip, including chrome effects apparently, which is, we'll see how they are. And of course you've got two open here bits, which I'm guessing where the accessories are. I have seen a few of these opened in the past, but I've never seen any really opened on a UK channel, so let's have a look, as these things are available in Asda if you really want one. So let's crack it open and have a quick look about what's really in here. Oh, and that looks like the collector's chip they advertised as well, and of course, here you go, an example. I'm guessing that slides up there like that. Right, so what shall I do first? I guess I'll do the car first, however that works. It seems to be quite difficult to navigate, but how does this work? I have no idea. You're supposed to sort of, I have absolutely no idea. I might have to do a cut, as I'm not sure. Idiot, and I realise you're supposed to undo this first, pull it out, I'm guessing, there we go, and then it'll drop out, and I did that perfectly, as I still don't know what's in here. So I guess we'll do a spin around in just a second. Oh, flyer again, and it looks like it's a Suzuki Jimny, which I quite like. I like these things. This is not a bad cast. I'm quite happy getting a Suzuki Jimny. It's not the R8 I wanted, but it's still really nice. You see front headlight details through lensed headlights. We'll get the spanner of truth, screwdriver of truth, sorry. Nice front grille details, including Suzuki logo. Fog light details are done very well. I quite like the deco, it's quite nice. The wheels are a bit naff, but they're not the worst. Of course, Suzuki Jimny on the side. Wing mirrors, including all sorts of details around this thing. They look really good. And of course, as always with Majorette, suspension. And it looks like on here it will give us a flyer. If we can get the thing opened. There we go. So in the sections we have the legendary one, which is a Ford Bronco, ultra rare, let's say, racing. We have a super rare racing R8, that's what I really wanted. A Lamborghini Uterus, as I call them, or a Urus as it's actually called, and a Toyota Hiace. The next section is rare, where we have a Dodge Viper, then a quite nice Renault Megane RS, and another Suzuki Jimny. This one here is a Suzuki GT86, another Hiace, and a Golf GTI. Next section is the R8. I would have loved one of them as well. Rockstar, which is a Challenger RT, a Viper, another Megane, which I would have quite liked. There's the Jimny, which I'm guessing we've seen how it looks like now. A GT86 Hiace, and another Golf GTI. Of course, shows you how to upgrade it. So we'll have a look about the upgrades in a second. We'll pop the top off. I'm guessing you do that, wouldn't you? Quite nice little BBS wheel and turbo sort of thing there. Hope this is all on camera, by the way. Take it out a bit. And pull. There's a pull tab there. Which one's in this one? Stickers. And I think that's a spare tyre on the back. Or for the back. Yep. Is it the same as one? Yes, it is. I think I can use that for a custom eventually. And the top section, don't really want to rip it fully. We have a big plastic part. I'm not sure if I'll be putting it on. I think I probably will for a showcase, but that's about it. So I'm guessing it fits right on top of there. If we can even get it on. maybe you put it on the back and then the front. Yeah, that's it. Doesn't look the best with it on, but I'm guessing we put that on top. Just like that. We'll fully clip it in. But there we go. And then of course put the decals on. There we go. Onto the side. Holographic. No, it's not too bad. For the money, it is quite expensive. Personally, this is how I'm keeping mine. And of course, you put it into your little box, and you can display it like that on a little collector's tin, I think they called it. Majorette Tune-Up Series 2. So yeah, that is the experience of the tune-ups. Still quite nice. Quite nice novelty piece. I think it's only a one buy unless I can find one with the R8 inside it, in which case I will definitely be getting that one, either one that is. But yeah, that's the measure up tune-ups. I'll take a few photos of this thing in the dirt, as of course we have a off-road cast. We don't usually get off-road casts to this channel, it's usually road cars and stuff like that. So we'll have a few nice photos of it. And that's been it, so thank you very much for watching. Stay safe everyone, have fun, and of course, stay juking.